Back already for the next question? Good on you. So the question is, create an archive, backup and compress the VARTEM folder to this file. Main takeaway, it's the GZ. GZ means that you use the /z or -z or -z to get the Z compressed file. Okay, let's do this. I have this already ready. So just do tar, okay? Z is for the GZ. Check the main page if you need to create a different compressed file, like capital J. But check the main page, everything's there. C is create, V is for verbosity, F is to specify the file name and what to compress. Just do this and looks okay. So now we just check the file is there, okay? If you want to test, it's a tar test file, am I right? Yep, and this is the contents of the file. If you want to make sure, you can just do this. And yeah, everything's there, FS tab is there, the folders are there and their contents. There we go, the file is created and it's ready to go and ready to be sent for grading. Again, question 12, really quick, really fast, a few more added points to your score. We're getting closer and closer to those 210 points or more that you are here for. Like, subscribe and comment, it really helps, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.